Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Ram Promaster door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a Torx T27 driver. Begin by gently prying off the window switch panel. This will reveal some hidden screws. Next, locate and remove all visible screws around the door panel, including any Phillips head screws. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic components. Once the screws are out, you'll need to disconnect the electrical components. Carefully unclip all electrical connectors from the window switch and any other modules attached to the panel. Then, detach the door handle cable and the door lock rod. These usually have a simple clip or rotation mechanism. Double-check that all wires and cables are completely free before moving on to the next step. Now it's time to remove the main panel. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry around the edges of the door panel, releasing the plastic clips that hold it in place. Work your way around the entire perimeter. Once all clips are disengaged, lift the entire door panel upwards to clear the window channel and the top of the door frame. Carefully set the panel aside in a safe spot to prevent any accidental damage. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. Align the door panel clips with their corresponding slots and firmly press the panel into place until all clips engage. Reconnect all electrical connectors and reattach the door handle cable and lock rod. Test all functions before fully tightening. For other great deals and to learn more about the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.